I am here to talk about Koor Soo and sleep. Now, across cultures, across languages, humanity has had one basis, one collective source. And Carl Jung called it the collective unconscious. In Farsi, the language that Koor Soo comes from, Koor Soo is not a blaze, certainty or triumph. It's just the small flicker of light. It's the small hope that keeps us alive, that keeps us moving forward each day. Because sleep is where we reconnect with that collective unconscious. Sleep is the neurobiological process by which your brain and body restores, repairs, and grows. That's what sleep is, to rejuvenate and maintain our light, our flicker of hope. Sleep is the spirit's overnight repair system.